Today we're talking about something really cool called VPNs. These tools, like NordVPN, help keep your internet use safe, but sometimes they can be a bit pricey. Lucky for you, you found this video because I've got the best NordVPN discount ever. Make sure you watch the whole video to learn how to get this amazing deal. First up, click on the special link in the video description below. This will allow you to get the highest discount available. Normally, the standard plan is $12.99 per month. The Plus plan is $13.99, and the Ultimate plan is $15.99 per month. With these regular prices, you don't save anything extra monthly. Now, if you go through my special link and click the Get the Deal button, you can choose from 1-year or 2-year plans. And here's where the savings really start. For the 1-year plan, the standard plan costs $59.88, which breaks down to just $4.99 per month. A big save. The Plus plan is $71.88 for the year, or $5.99 a month. And the Ultimate plan? $95.88 for the year, or $7.99 a month. But the 2-year plan is even better. The standard plan is only $81.36, which comes out to $2.91 per month, and you get 4 months free. The Plus plan is $105.36, working out to $3.76 per month, plus 4 free months. And the Ultimate plan is just $153.36 for 2 years, which is $5.48 per month, with 4 months free. And there's more. If you use my link to buy, you can invite a friend and they'll get 3 free months. So, why is this deal so good? You get strong internet security and save lots of money. Check it out by clicking my personal link in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.